So today we are going to talk about how I changed my own face shape within a span of 2 months with facial exercises. So before I take you through my face yoga journey, I want to draw your attention to comments like these. It just goes to show that facial exercises can give you the results of a lifted and firmer face and might even give an impression that you got some invasive procedures done in order to achieve these results. So long time ago, when I was participating in Miss India pageant, just like most others, I was told to get a certain procedures done, but I chose to go the face yoga route because my yoga teacher taught me some amazing exercises for my face as well. And they actually showed a huge difference because I used to have kind of droopy eyelids and my upper lip was much thinner. So instead of getting any fillers done or any kind of procedures done on my face, I decided to exercise my way into Miss India, and it worked. Cut to 7 years or 8 years later, my younger son always sat on my left hip instead of sitting in a Bjorn. Slowly I started noticing multiple changes in my face, and when I tracked it down, it actually started from my hip. My left side hip shape had completely started changing. It also developed back pain because my posture changed. From there, I noticed that my chest and the left side of my cleavage started to look a lot flatter. Moving up, it also had started affecting my neck muscles on the left, which had become weaker. Now, when these muscles drag down, your cheek drags down, your lip corners drag down, and these big muscles are connected to right this area under your eye. So now my left eye too had kind of started to droop. As a child, I had a couple of accidents where I hurt myself pretty badly on the left side of my face, which led to thin skin on my forehead, which I was always aware of, but now this thin skin had started to show excessive wrinkles and droopiness. So my left brow too was kind of dragging down. So literally my left half of my face was aging and my right was kind of fine. This was the point when I decided to start my facial exercise routine again. So 2 months of face yoga only on the left side of my face, my neck and chest showed tremendous improvement on one half of my face. So much so that I felt the need to start working out on the right side of my face so I can balance my facial symmetry. Few years later, through my YouTube videos, I wanted to introduce the power of facial exercising to everyone who may also feel the loss of confidence in their beauty, or it can be harder to accept sometimes when age catches up rapidly. Sometimes it could be your lifestyle mistakes that are expediting your age and making you look older than you actually are. And everyone ages differently. Facial symmetry is one of the reasons I started doing face yoga, and it changed my facial symmetry. So slowly when I started teaching people face yoga, I noticed that most people come to me with the concerns such as wrinkles or haggard looking face or dryness with age, but what they needed to work on was actually their face symmetry and also a few other facial structures that work on the inside, such as your facial fat, your bone structure that starts to change with age, and also your facial muscles. 3 things. So just because you want external changes on your skin doesn't mean that you just keep buying expensive products or creams and hope that your external skin is somehow going to look younger. Let's draw some comparisons. Just like workouts help your body look younger, you maintain better body posture, your whole body skin looks tighter and firmer because of the plump muscles on the inside. Similarly, your face needs to work out as well. I have continued to do face yoga now for almost 10 years, and I can tell you one thing, that it is just like your body workout. When you take a break from your working out, you will gain weight. You will feel lethargic if you don't sleep enough. Your workouts will not show results as expected. Your diet too impacts your body workout results, right? So your facial workouts and your facial massage routines do the exact same thing. Except you don't need to do a 1-hour facial workout every day, or you don't have to go to a gym to perform these exercises. You can do these anywhere. You have over 50 muscles in your face, and many of these are connected to one another. So one exercise, if performed the right way in the correct form, can help at least 3 to 4 facial muscle groups in your face at a time. So I designed my workout routines in a way where you just have to spend about 7 to 8 minutes per day. And when you buy any of my packages or decide to work with me, especially one-on-one, is where I can design workouts just for your face, because your face isn't aging like the girl next door. So why do random face exercises that your specific face doesn't need? You only need exercises that are right for you, which means save time and follow a routine that I will supervise and may even change it after a few weeks depending on your progress or when I see a need for additional help. All these options are on my website, parmitakatkar.com. Okay, so I need your help. I want you to suggest what my next face yoga package should be. And I want you to tell me something that's based on what you really want to learn. For now, your options are A. Deal with different types of face wrinkles. Did you even know that there are different kinds of facial wrinkles? And B. Face yoga for beginners, 21-day challenge. Your suggestions go in the comment section that is below this video. When you go down, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. But if you have been watching my videos and you find value in these videos, then hit that like button so you keep watching my videos every week, because that's how frequently I post. And in case you've missed out on any of my YouTube shorts, then do check those out too for quick reminders on what you need to do to age well. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, anyone you think needs this information. All my social media platforms that you can see on the screen right now are also in my description below, so please go ahead and follow me everywhere. Description box is very important. This is what it looks like. So scroll down, take a look at all my face yoga playlists and all my watch yourself and multiple other playlists that I recommend. My favorite skincare products, beauty tools and devices are all linked below in the description box with their promo codes. And last but not the least, all my packages are also linked below. So investing in yourself is literally just one click away. You will also see right below this video, there is a membership option. So you can become my YouTube channel member. And this is where you get a lot of perks that nobody else outside gets. So make sure you check out the right option for you, how you can support your favorite YouTuber and find a membership level that benefits you the most. I will see you next week. Until then, blush with me.